Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix app not downloading on your iPhone step by step. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet, trying switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If your internet is slow or not working, app won't load. Try restarting your iPhone. Hold the power button, slide to power off, wait for a few seconds, turn it back on. This simply fixes many issues. Now tap settings, tap on screen time, then tap content and privacy restriction. Tap iTunes and Apple Store purchases. Make sure installing app is set to allow. Go back to the setting, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. If your storage is full, app won't download. Delete unused app, photo or videos to free up your space. You can also check for the software update. If an update is available, install it. Outdated software can cause download problem. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.